In today's rapidly advancing world, the career choices available to us seem endless. One profession that consistently stands out for its exciting challenges, intellectual stimulation, and immense potential for impact is engineering. So, why should you consider becoming an engineer? In this video, we will explore the compelling reasons that make engineering an exceptional career path. From the diverse range of opportunities to the ability to shape the future, let's uncover the unique aspects that make engineering a rewarding choice. At its core, engineering is all about solving problems. Engineers tackle complex challenges and find innovative solutions that impact society as a whole. Whether it's designing sustainable infrastructure, developing life-saving technologies, or optimizing processes for efficiency, engineers have the power to shape the world we live in. The ability to identify problems, apply critical thinking, and develop creative solutions is an essential skill that engineers cultivate throughout their careers. One of the most exciting aspects of engineering is the breadth of specializations available. From mechanical and civil engineering to electrical, software, and biomedical engineering, the choices are vast. This diversity means you can choose a field that aligns with your passions and interests, allowing you to pursue a career that genuinely excites you. The multidisciplinary nature of engineering also offers the opportunity to collaborate with professionals from different backgrounds, fostering innovation and pushing boundaries. Engineers play a crucial role in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. They drive advancements in sustainable energy, develop technologies to combat climate change, create infrastructure that improves communities, and enhance healthcare systems, among many other endeavors. By becoming an engineer, you have the power to make a positive impact on a global scale and contribute to a better future for generations to come. The demand for skilled engineers continues to rise, leading to a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you aspire to work in the aerospace industry, renewable energy sector, technology startups, or research institutions, engineering offers a vast array of paths to explore. The versatility of engineering skills also allows for career mobility, and the ability to pivot into different roles as your interests evolve. Additionally, the competitive salaries and benefits associated with engineering make it an attractive choice for financial stability and professional growth. In conclusion, engineering is a dynamic and rewarding profession that provides opportunities for intellectual growth, global impact, and personal fulfillment. Through problem solving, specialization options, and the ability to contribute to society, engineers make a significant difference in shaping our world. Whether you are driven by the desire to innovate, create, or solve real-world challenges, engineering offers a pathway to a fulfilling and purposeful career. So, if you're passionate about making a difference, embrace the world of engineering and embark on a journey that will allow you to leave your mark on the world.